Alright, so we got it all set up. It wasn't going through. I had it turned up too loud. I turned it off and I'm rebooting it, and we're going to see how it comes up. There we go. So let's put our password in, or our command and our password. Bring up our file.
IP address WR30192.168.1.103.
Okay, you heard my call sign come across it. That's where I put my call into it earlier, and it just gave us our IP address right there from being connected to the internet. So now we know all that's good. We should be able to connect. Why is my screen blanking on me? Maybe, oh, I got voltage issues. All right, so here we go.
Node 1300 connected to node 140.
And that's it. It's connected to the network. Let's see if I can lay this down without messing anything up here. So you can see the main screen up here. See if I have the network going. Okay, there we go. So I connected to this, and you can see it right there, node 140 WREX 300. So that shows you it connected to the network. So that should take care of that.